Ava Linh. Welcome to Buddhism in Life, a peaceful space to learn, reflect, and live with mindfulness. Welcome back, everyone, to Buddhism in Life. In our busy, sometimes chaotic, modern lives, have you ever felt like you're searching for something more? A little peace, an answer, or simply a light to guide your way? We often look outside ourselves, in our careers, in relationships, but we forget that the greatest search actually happens right within. Coming up soon on December 8th, 2025, millions of people around the world, especially here in the US and in Mahayana Buddhist traditions, will celebrate a profoundly sacred day. Bodhi Day, the Day of Enlightenment. This isn't just a historical event. This is the story of a man who dared to give up everything to find the truth, and ultimately found it. More importantly, it's the story of the potential for awakening that rests inside every single one of us. In today's video, we're going to explore that monumental journey and discover what the Day of Enlightenment means for your life and mind today. So, what exactly is Bodhi Day? Bodhi is a Sanskrit and Pali word that simply means awakening or enlightenment. So, Bodhi Day is literally the Day of Awakening. It commemorates the moment when Prince Siddhartha Gautama, after years of searching and spiritual practice, attained complete and full enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, India, thereby becoming the Buddha, the Awakened One. Traditionally, this event took place on the full moon night of December, and it's observed on December 8th in many traditions, including here in the United States. To truly grasp the significance of this awakening, we have to look back at the journey he took, the Great Renunciation. After witnessing the four sights, an old person, a sick person, a dead body, and an ascetic monk, he realized that luxury couldn't hide the universal truths. He made the radical decision to give up everything to find the answer to human suffering. 6 years of asceticism. He then pursued the path of extreme self-denial, fasting until his body was just skin and bones. But after 6 long years, he realized this was a mistake. This extreme path led only to exhaustion and death, not enlightenment. This was the pivot point. He realized that the true path had to lie between 2 extremes. It was the middle way. He accepted a bowl of milk rice from a local girl named Sujata. This act restored his health, but it caused his 5 ascetic companions to abandon him, believing he had given up. This moment is profoundly important. Sometimes to find your true path, you have to be brave enough to go against the expectations of others, even your closest allies. With his strength restored, he went to the Bodhi tree and made a mighty vow: I will not leave this seat until I have attained full and perfect enlightenment. And then, the battle began. This was an inner war. Legend tells of Mara, the evil one, the personification of all temptation, craving, fear, and doubt. Mara used lust, sending beautiful daughters to tempt him. Mara used fear, sending an army of demons to attack him. And Mara used doubt, asking, who witnesses your claim? Who do you think you are to be enlightened? And here is how he won. He didn't chase away the lust or the fear. He held his inner stillness, completely unmoved. And when Mara questioned his authority, he simply reached down and touched the earth. The earth was his witness. The entire universe witnessed him. He didn't need an external authority. He only needed the truth within. As Mara vanished, his mind became utterly clear and luminous. He entered deep meditative states. He saw his past lives. He saw the law of cause and effect, karma, and most crucially, he saw the Four Noble Truths. As the morning star rose, he attained perfect enlightenment. Siddhartha Gautama became the Buddha. He had woken up. That story is beautiful, but why does it matter to us, living here in the 21st century? Bodhi Day is a powerful reminder that we all have a Mara to face. Our modern Mara might be social media addiction, anxiety about the future, or self-doubt. The Buddha's struggle is our struggle. The middle way is key. Modern life constantly pulls us to extremes. Bodhi Day reminds us of the middle way, a balanced, wholesome, mindful life that nurtures both body and spirit. We all have the potential to wake up. The greatest thing the Buddha proved was not that he was superhuman, but that enlightenment is achievable. That potential to wake up exists within all of us, regardless of race, culture, or creed. This is the very essence of Buddhism in life. So, how is Bodhi Day celebrated here in the US on December 8th? It is generally a day of quiet contemplation. You'll find people practicing meditation, chanting, and Dharma talks at local centers. Many families will also be decorating the Bodhi tree with lights and symbols and performing many acts of service, dana. If you're in the US, try finding a local Buddhist center. But even if you can't, you can observe Bodhi Day right where you are. You don't need to sit for 49 days and nights. To celebrate Bodhi Day, you can find your Bodhi tree. Set aside 15 minutes, turn off your phone, and just sit. Identify your Mara. Ask yourself, what is the biggest demon blocking my peace? Just name it. Acknowledge it. And finally, touch the earth. To return to reality. Bodhi Day is an invitation for us to pause, look deeply within, and rediscover the light of awakening. Buddhism in life. Learn the Buddha's way. Cultivate humanity.